Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we look carefully about y-x only and we graph about this one, so we can see that this line in here just like this one. And if we want to find this equation, that is about the line that go through the point 0, number 2, and the point number 2, 0. So we can find the slope of this one. That is about delta y over delta x. So we have number 0 minus number 2 over number 2 minus number 0. We calculate this one and we have negative number 1. And then we have y equals to ms plus b. So m, that is about negative number 1. So we want to find the value of b. So I will select about number 0, number 2. So we put number 0 going here, number 2 going here, and b equals to number 2. So that's it about y equals to negative s plus number 2. So if we look carefully, this one and this one, they did not intersect with z. So that means we just have only this one. So we put all the value go to the left. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.